Hello everyone. Thank you for giving me this chance to present my research. My name is Wang Stan. Today, I will talk about my master thesis. The title of my master thesis is Competition and Chemical Density, a study of 7-Eleven store in Penang, Malaysia. This research was supervised by Dr. Anis Jenny Ali from University of Malaysia. First, I would like to explain why I chose this topic. In retail business, store location is very important. A good location can bring more customers, more sales, and better performance. However, in real life, we often see many convenience stores. For example, 7-Eleven, Family Mart, very close to each other. They do not always start far away from capitals. So this creates a simple but important question. Does competition always hurt business, or can competition mean strong demand in the area? Many province studies use large area data, such as city level or district level data. But this kind of data may missing difference between individual stores. Of this, my study focuses on individual store locations in Penang, Malaysia. I use data from 106 7-Eleven stores in Penang. By doing this, I want to better understand how competitors are relation local commercial activity. Now, I want tradition research background and the main question of this study. Okay. Background. Retail location decisions are strongly affected by special factors. The reality convenience stories. The convenience stories often clearly together of spending out. Competition does not always mean loss in some areas. It may signal strong local demand. However, in Malaysia, this is limited store level evidence on this issue. Most province studies use aggregated data, such as district level analysis. This approach may have important micro-level difference. As a result, the real importance of competitors always still unclearly. This study addressed the gap using story level spatial data. This story have 4 objectives. First, to examine the relation between competed density and chemical density. Second, to explain analysis at the store level. Second, to contribute to retail location literature. Finally, to provide insight of data-driven retail decision. This frog focuses on spatial competition effects. Compared density is the key explain variable. Chemical density is the outcome variable. The model assumes that competition may agglomeration force rather than cannibalization. Data and the study area. The data include 106 individual 7-Eleven stores in Penang. Each store has proceed latitude and longitude coordinate. Penang is a stable case due to dense urban and chemical structure. Surrounding chemical activity in density. Competed density reflected nearby competed pressure. All variables are measured across locations. This creative result show large variable in chemical density. Some stores operate in very dense chemical environmental. Competent density are always variable in uneven cycle. This was the need for store level analysis. An OLS relation model is used. Chemical density regulated on and epitope density. The main question is whether the relationship is possible and negative. Regression is used because it is simple and easy to interpret. Diagnostic tests are conducted to check business model. Analysis focus on direct effect of special competition. The results shows a positive and relationship, higher competitiveness and higher chemical density. This finding supports the retail agglomeration Residual diagnostics results show no serious problem in the model. Overall, the regression results are considered reliable. First, competition does not always reduce chemical activity. Second, convenience store often classic in area with stronger demand. Second, micro-level analysis help revenue clearly, picture clearly. Retailers should not avoid competitive location. High competitive density may indicate strong market demand. Cycle analysis can help improve store location decision. Conclusion: this study provides store level evidence on spectral competition in Malaysia. It contributes to research on retail analysis and local strategy. Okay, thank you for your listening. Between the like to sum the my study. This research examines relationship at the store level using data from 106 7-Eleven stores in Penang. The result shows that competition does not always negative effect. In many cases, competitor density is linked to activity. This suggests that stock classicing may reflect strong local demand rather than business loss. This study makes three main contributions. First, it proves store level environmental from the Malaysia retail context. Second, it shows the value of analysis in retail decision making. Second, it offers practical decisions for location planning and business structure. Finally, I would like to thank my supervisor, Dr. Anis Janin Ali, for their guidance and support. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I'm happy to answer any questions.